Today I want to show you how you can extend the Unity standard terrain tool by using the standard Unity packages and generate some good looking terrain. So as you see on the screen, I have generated some basic terrain. This is my old project which have a mockup scene, and this terrain does not look very good. We're going to improve it today. So this is just the simple terrain. If I click on the terrain prefab, as you see, I have a standard terrain component in. I have some brushes, some trees, and the recent update for the Unity allows us to add some holes in the terrain. So to quickly demonstrate how this works, you can select your brushes and then from the list paint hole, you can set the size, the shape of the hole which you want to draw. Let's say I want to draw this cycle, and then if you go onto your scene, you can just click and then draw the hole in your terrain. Okay, so let me just expand this window a bit. So as you see, I can draw the hole anywhere I want. So this is a very nice tool. In the old version of the Unity, that was a big problem to actually draw any hole, but now it's very easy to do that. So this is one very good addition which Unity made, but the standard terrain tool is quite limited what we can do. We can extend this tool by adding some Unity packages. So if you go to the Windows and then Package Manager, let me just dock it here. I'm currently running the Unity 2020.1. So if you're running the old version, you will have to enable the preview packages, which should be available for you. You should have the icon here, where you select, you will be able to tick to use the preview packages. But in the 2020, you have to click on this gear icon and then select the advanced project settings. And then in the package manager, in your project settings, you have to enable the preview packages. So select this tick and then I understand. And after you do that, you will see the preview packages. So now from the list, I will select the Unity registry. And then in the search box, I will just put the terrain. So you should find the terrain tool, which is currently the preview packages, but I hope they're gonna make the release version soon. So once you find this tool, just press install, and Unity should import the tool into your project. So once everything is imported, as you see in our terrain tool, let me just select this terrain again. In the terrain tool, in the brushes, we have some additional option for the stroke. So we can change the brush strength, size, we can rotate our brush, and we can put the spaces in. And we can also create some very nice effects. As you see, when we have on the brushes list, we have many more options now. We can do sculpt, we can do noise, bridge, and other effects. So let me use this tool now. I will switch back to my scene view. So we can use a few different effects, like in the transform we have a pinch, smooth, twist. I will just show you the twist. You can play around by yourself with another options. So once you select the twist, you can change the brush shape, and then you can manipulate the other properties. So the twist is basically going to twist our terrain. So as you see, the terrain looks much different now. And by changing these tools, you can create very nice effects in your terrain, but we can expand this tool even more. So if you want to add some more brushes shapes, you can go back to the package manager, and inside your terrain tool, you can download the asset sample from the asset store. If you select this button, you should be directed to the asset store, where you can add the terrain tool sample package. So I will just click this add to my asset. You will have to, of course, log in to your account. Once you logged in, you'll be able to add to my asset. Okay, and then you will have to switch to the Unity again. Go to your package manager window, and then from this list, from these packages, select my assets. and then wait for Unity to fetch everything. And then I will just type terrain. Terrain Tools Sample Pack. And then let's download it. And now we can import this package into our project. Everything is imported now. Now we can go back to our scene, select the terrain again. And as you see, under our brushes, you have many more options to actually create some very nice looking terrain. So let's say we're gonna select this brush, and we're gonna select the set height. And as you see, we can add some very nice effect to our terrain. You can change the brush, you can rotate the brush if you like. You can even do transform twist. So you can play around with these tools, with these options which you have. Your tour is now much more completed. You can create many more different effects on your terrain. And there is one thing which I want to discuss is if you select the stats, as you see currently my terrain, which is very simple map, have 243 batches, which is not great. In order to optimize this terrain and use it on the mobile devices, the ideal number for the batches is below the 100. So you can do some optimization by selecting this gear icon and then select draw instance. So once you select it, as you see, our batches number is going to drop to 23. And this terrain now is much more optimized for using on the mobile devices. So I hope this short video was useful for you. If you like this type of the videos, please let me know in the comments, leave the like and subscribe to be updated with the more content I release. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.